Grok and Gemini 1.5 are two of the most talked about chatbots today, and both are evolving fast. They are built to help with everyday tasks, but they approach that goal in very different ways. If you are trying to decide which one is the most advanced companion for your daily routine, here is a clear and natural breakdown that fits a long-form video script. Grok is designed to feel bold, energetic, and a bit playful. It has a personality that leans toward humor and directness, which makes conversations feel lively rather than robotic. One of its biggest strengths is its connection to real-time information from the X platform. Because of that, Grok can react quickly to breaking news, trending topics, and fresh conversations happening across the social network. For daily tasks that involve staying updated, scanning reactions, or summarizing fast-moving topics, Grok feels very current and sharp. It is also built for flexible problem-solving. Whether you need writing support, code help, creative ideas, or a quick explanation of something, Grok responds fast and keeps the tone casual and entertaining. Its multimodal abilities allow it to look at images, charts, or screenshots and give you practical feedback right away. For many people, using Grok feels like chatting with a witty assistant who keeps up with the world as it changes. Gemini 1.5 takes a different angle. It is designed to handle large, complex tasks with a high level of accuracy. What makes it stand out is its ability to process extremely long inputs. Gemini can read entire documents, analyze long transcripts, and hold several layers of context at the same time. This makes it perfect for research, planning, outlining, or managing detailed projects. If you need to break down long reports, review large text files, compare lengthy information, or organize ideas across several steps, Gemini performs with calm precision. It also works smoothly with daily routines. It can manage tasks, assist with reminders, and support structured workflows. Its tone is steady and thoughtful, making it a reliable partner for users who want depth and clarity more than personality and speed. For daily tasks, the choice depends on what your day usually looks like. If you want an assistant that keeps you informed, energized, and entertained while still being useful, Grok is a great pick. But if your daily tasks involve research, writing, reviewing information, or planning, Gemini 1.5 offers more power and consistency. Both are advanced in their own way, and both can support a wide range of everyday needs. The difference comes down to whether you want speed and personality or depth and long-form understanding. Either way, both tools represent the newest generation of chatbots designed to make daily work smoother, faster, and more enjoyable.